Hi, I'm Lance Stander, CEO of Superformance, and this is my home of Superformance cars. Today I'd like to take you on a tour of our favorite Cobra, the Superformance Mark III. Superformance began in 1992 with a Mark III 427 SC. This is our bread and butter, not only our original model, but year after year it is our top seller, the poster car. All Mark III 427 SC and Roadster models come standard with aluminum oil coolers and single-core aluminum radiators. The radiator and oil coolers feature shrouds and close-out panels, offering an OE quality for aesthetic and function. The Superformance Mark III is equipped with Power Assist Willwood 4-piston disc brakes on the front and an integrated e-brake rear disc brake setup with vented discs on all four corners. The Mark III comes with brand new limited slip differential as a standard feature. Our frame has been updated from the original round tube specs of the 60s. We offer a solid 2-inch by 4-inch rectangular steel jig welded parallel ladder frame. Our windscreen frames are hand fabricated brass that is then nickel plated and then chromed just as they were in the 60s. This provides the Mark III with a smooth chrome finish. The Mark III features fully adjustable double wishbone suspension and premium custom coilover gas shocks and springs. The body itself is hand-laid one-piece mold of vinyl ester composite. It features steel tube reinforcements in all openings. The body is bonded to the frame and is completely non-stress. The Superformance Mark III engine bay shows the attention to detail with all electrical already ran and fuse box complete. You can see there are no engine mounts. However, there are slots cut to accommodate nearly any Ford-based V8. Our seats are German leather wrapped steel framed seats with pair correct webbing and foam inserts. Full carpet in the cockpit and trunk with door map pockets and optional glove box give these Cobras a daily driver feel and use. The electronic Smith gauges and Lucas amp meter gauge provide the pair correct look with modern reliability. For the owner with a heart for resto mods, we offer 18-inch aluminum wheels, custom electronic gauges, blackout option, and custom interiors. From the cut of the quick jack, to the carriage-style latches, to the battery box in the trunk, to the trained eye and the perfectionist, the attention to detail cannot be overlooked on the Superformance Mark III. Okay. You get my traditional favorite. Superformance is the leading make for replicas and continuation Cobras, GT40s, Corvettes, and Shelby Daytona coupes. We are also the only manufacturer that features license agreements with Ford, Shelby, GM, and Sapper GT40.